Hey crafters, today we will be making this wreath made out of plastic spoons. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. You will need a couple bags of the plastic spoons, both big and the little ones from the dollar store. So I'm just popping the tips off of the spoons. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of them off camera. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to be gluing the spoons together, and this is how we will do that. As you can see, it's making a little flower. I'm just going to make a few more, and when they dry, I will show you how I remove them. Okay, so now that they're dry, it is so easy to move them. All you do is pop them up off the mat, and that's it. As always, I wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching the videos. It truly means the world to me, and it continues to motivate me to make more videos. Okay, I will be spraying them with 2 coats of semi-gloss black spray paint. Okay, while that's drying, I'm going to start on doing the little flowers, doing the same technique as I did with the big ones. The only difference is I will be using these vase filler gems to put one in the middle of each flower. These are what they look like close up. Okay, now to assemble the wreath. So I'm just placing the flowers wherever. Once I've gotten the flowers all where I wanted, I will then start to put the smaller ones on. And again, I'm just putting the flowers wherever. I really wish I had made some gold flowers as well to match my living room. But what colors would have you guys used? Comment down below and let me know. And this is the finished look. It came out so beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.
Yeah.